The mechanics behind a four-wheel drive is a marvel of engineering. Imagine the thrill of navigating your vehicle through challenging terrains, feeling the raw power beneath you as you conquer the roughest of roads. That's the magic of a four-wheel drive system. This ingenious system isn't just about power, it's about control and stability. Picture a ballet dancer spinning on a dime. That's your vehicle on a four-wheel drive, managing the twists and turns of off-road trails with grace and precision. In the heart of this system lies the ability to distribute torque evenly to all four wheels, providing enhanced traction and control. Whether you're an off-road adventurist or a city slicker craving for some weekend adventure, the four-wheel drive doesn't disappoint. Its versatility and prowess have redefined our idea of what a vehicle can do. Are you ready to delve into the complexities of this fascinating system? Buckle up. This journey into the marvel of four-wheel drive is just getting started. At its core, a four-wheel drive is all about power distribution. This simple yet profound statement lays the foundation of understanding how a four-wheel drive, or 4WD, works. Let's start with the engine, the heart of any vehicle. It generates power, but that power needs to be efficiently distributed to make the vehicle move. In a four-wheel drive system, this power is split equally and directed to all four wheels simultaneously. So how does this happen? Enter the transmission. This mechanical marvel takes the engine's power and transmits it to the wheels. However, there's a twist in the tale. The transmission only sends the power to the front and rear axles. We still need to distribute it to all four wheels, and that's where the transfer case comes into play. Think of the transfer case as the manager of power distribution. It receives power from the transmission and splits it into two, sending one half to the front axle and the other to the rear. In essence, the transfer case ensures that power is divided equally between the front and rear wheels. This equal distribution of power is what gives a 4WD its superior traction and off-road capabilities. But the transfer case doesn't work alone. It's part of a complex system that includes the vehicle's gearbox, differentials, and drive shafts. Together, they ensure that the right amount of power reaches the right wheel at the right time. Now, you may wonder why we need such a complicated system just to distribute power. The answer lies in the versatility of a 4WD. Whether you're navigating rough terrain, climbing steep hills, or simply driving in wet conditions, a 4WD adapts to provide optimal power to each wheel. This adaptability is largely thanks to the transfer case and its ability to manage power distribution. So, there you have it. The engine generates power, the transmission transmits it, and the transfer case splits it equally to all four wheels. It's a simple yet intricate process that gives a 4WD its unmatched off-road prowess. The transfer case, the unsung hero of the four-wheel drive system. Did you know there are two types of four-wheel drive systems? Yes, you heard it right. When we talk about four-wheel drive, we're actually referring to two distinct systems, full-time and part-time four-wheel drive. Let's start with the full-time four-wheel drive system. As the name suggests, this system is always engaged, meaning all four wheels are powered at all times. The advantage of this is that it provides constant traction, which can be a significant advantage in slippery or rugged conditions. It's like having an all-weather, all-terrain superpower for your vehicle. But every superpower comes with a cost. The downside is that it can be less fuel efficient and may wear down your tires more quickly than a two-wheel drive system. Now let's move on to the part-time four-wheel drive system. This type is not always engaged. Instead, the driver can decide when to activate it, usually in response to challenging driving conditions. The advantage of this system is that it can provide extra traction when you need it, but it allows for more efficient driving when it's not in use. The downside? Well, if it's not activated in time, you might find yourself stuck before you can engage it, so you see both systems have their own merits. Full-time four-wheel drive is like a vigilant guardian, always ready, always on the watch. On the other hand, part-time four-wheel drive is like a secret weapon, ready to be deployed when the going gets tough. It's important to note that neither system is inherently better than the other. The best choice depends on your specific driving habits and needs. If you frequently find yourself off-roading or driving in tricky weather conditions, a full-time system might be your best bet. If, however, you spend most of your time on well-paved roads with only occasional adventures into the wild, a part-time system could be a more efficient choice. So, Whether it's full-time or part-time, the four-wheel drive system is designed to conquer the road less traveled. Now, isn't that something to drive home about? The heart of the four-wheel drive system lies in the differentials. So what exactly is a differential and why is it so crucial? Well, the differential is a mechanical marvel that allows the wheels of your vehicle to spin at different speeds. Imagine you're taking a turn in your car. The wheels on the inside of the turn have a shorter distance to travel than those on the outside. If all wheels were forced to spin at the same speed, the inside wheels would end up dragging or skipping, which is neither efficient nor good for your tires. Here's where the differentials come into play. These ingenious devices distribute the engine's torque or turning power to the wheels, but with a twist. They allow each wheel to rotate at its own speed, especially during turns. This not only smoothens your ride, but also enhances the grip and control of the vehicle, making your journey safer. Differentials in a four-wheel drive system are even more fascinating. Unlike in a two-wheel drive where there's only one differential in the middle of the axle, a four-wheel drive has an additional front differential and a central one. The central differential's job is to distribute power between the front and rear axle, ensuring that all four wheels can spin at different speeds. This is particularly useful when off-roading or driving on slippery surfaces where you need maximum traction. But that's not all. Some four-wheel drive systems come with a feature known as differential lock. When engaged, this feature forces the differentials to spin the wheels at the same speed, regardless of traction. This can be a lifesaver when you're stuck in mud or sand, as it ensures that even if one wheel is spinning freely, the others are still receiving power. In essence, differentials are the unsung heroes of your four-wheel drive system. They work tirelessly behind the scenes, making sure your wheels spin just right, your turns are smooth, and your grip is steady. The differentials, they ensure your four-wheel drive system doesn't miss a beat. With all these components working together, the four-wheel drive creates a symphony of power and control. So, let's take a step back and recap how a four-wheel drive system works. It's like a well-oiled machine, with each part playing a crucial role. At its heart is the transfer case, a clever piece of machinery that divides power between the front and rear wheels. Then we have the differentials, the unsung heroes, quietly balancing the speed of the wheels, ensuring smooth turns and preventing wheel hop. But it's not just about the mechanical wizardry under the hood, it's about the transformation of your vehicle into a powerhouse, ready to tackle any terrain. When you engage the four-wheel drive, you're unlocking a new dimension of capabilities. One of the primary benefits of a four-wheel drive system is improved traction. Imagine you're climbing a steep hill or navigating a slippery, snow-covered road. With a two-wheel drive, you could easily lose grip, but with all four wheels powered and working in harmony, you maintain a firm grip on the road, rain or shine, snow or gravel. The four-wheel drive also provides better stability. With power distributed evenly across all wheels, your vehicle stays balanced, even when driving over uneven surfaces. This feature is particularly useful when you're off-roading or driving on challenging terrains. And that brings us to the increased off-road capabilities. A four-wheel drive is like your passport to adventure. It allows you to traverse rugged landscapes, climb steep hills, and ford through streams. It gives you the confidence to push your vehicle to its limits, knowing that it won't let you down. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. A four-wheel drive system is a complex piece of engineering. It needs regular maintenance to keep it in top shape. So take care of your four-wheel drive and it will take care of you. That, dear viewers, is the magic of a four-wheel drive system. It's been quite a journey exploring the engineering marvel that is the four-wheel drive system. We've delved into the basics, understanding how power is distributed to all four wheels, providing superior traction and handling. We've distinguished between the two types of four-wheel drives, full-time and part-time, each with its own unique advantages. We've also uncovered the critical role of differentials, these unsung heroes that balance the power between the wheels, preventing wheel slip and ensuring smooth rides on all terrains. And finally, we've seen the magic of four-wheel drive in action, transforming ordinary vehicles into off-roading beasts. As we wrap up, We hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the intricacies of four-wheel drive systems. Feel free to share your thoughts or any questions you might have in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such informative videos. Stay curious and keep exploring.